break down the barriers of access to quality learning in the basic education sector, and to expand the frontiers of opportunities for children in Lagos State. The Babajide Olushola Sanwo-Olu administration introduced EcoExcel. The acronym, which connotes excellence in child education and learning, aims to incorporate technology into the daily teaching and learning process of all public primary schools in Lagos State.
It's what you give to them now that will determine and form their future. When we get it right at this level, we're setting a proper foundation. I want to encourage you to please, this next couple of weeks, put all your attention to this thing.
The implementation of EcoExcel commenced with a stakeholders meeting, followed by the opening ceremony, where teachers were further enlightened on the benefits of the initiative.
The essence is to make sure that, first of all, we have a standardized way of teaching our children. Make it less burdensome on the teachers. You are able to monitor the children, you are able to monitor their progress, so it can only be better.
EcoExcel is a laudable project, it's a laudable program. The world is a global village. ICT is very, very paramount. Our teachers also will not be left out.
We are now opening another chapter in education, in line with the goals of the government of the state. And I am giving every assurance on behalf of our teachers and teachers in Lagos State that at the end of these 10 days, we are going to have a dynamic, robust 21st century teachers in Lagos State.
One thing is to promise, another thing is to fulfill it. You can now see that it is a promise fulfilled.
With excitement and enthusiasm, teachers in Lagos State Public Primary Schools reported at the training venue for registration, and the training began in earnest.
The 6 important teacher actions are: 1. Write on the board large enough for all pupils to see. 2. Make correct letter sounds. 3.
Segmenting involves breaking down words into their individual sounds.
What is the correct answer? Olajumoke.
The correct answer is that we can use chisel to carve.
That is correct. For all those that have answered, let's give them the raise the roof chair. So, our teaching skills. We have how many types of teaching skills, class? 4. Great.
EcoExcel's biggest impact is in the classroom, and that's what matters most, where the teachers and the pupils and the curriculum come together.
The executive chairman of LASUBEB, Mr. Wahab Alawiye King, is confident that EcoExcel will transform basic education in Lagos State.
EcoExcel, in essence, is a multifaceted, multi-dimensional approach, in transforming the education sector, particularly the basic education sector. It's an attempt to digitize, that is moving from analog to digital, and digitalize our systems, our operations, our method, our practices.
The Commissioner for Education, Mrs. Folashade Adefisayo, believes the initiative has opened a new vista of opportunity for teachers and learners in Lagos State.
They've learned a lot of skills. One thing is clear about it, that it has transformed the way they think about their craft as teachers. It has transformed the way they think about teaching, the way they think about their students. Because many of them were saying things like, now I know that every child matters. So every child in my class can do something. And I will not concentrate on just the clever ones, but will ensure that I engage all the learners in my classroom.
With my interaction with the teachers, I could see willingness to make sure that good quality education is delivered in the state.
A smart tablet was given to all teachers who participated in the training. The tablet comes with application to improve the teaching and learning process.
All of you have received the tab, yes, and you have responded to how you will make use of them in your various classes. Yes, I have seen that a lot of you are so excited. My advice to all of us is that we ensure that we should not let the Lagos State government down.
One of the benefits of this initiative is for teachers to become more professional and technology savvy in their work. Teachers who have attended the training believe this has been achieved.
Roll it, keep rolling, Alter, give it up. Yeah.
When they say they co-excel, I'm proud to be part of the program.
Henceforth, I believe Lagos State teachers will do more and the pupils will learn more.
The new methodology now by using iPad, phone, is a wonderful development.
We are promising the government, along with the SUBEB chairman, that we won't let you down. You will receive positive reports from our schools.
We, the Education Secretary, we have formed a block and we are going to support the Lagos State government in whatever form that they need our support.
The EcoExcel is an excellent system being introduced by this government.
To personally assess the capacity building program, Lagos State Governor Mr. Babajide Sanwo-Olu paid a surprise visit to CMS Primary School Bariga, the venue of the training, and was warmly received. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu averred that the teachers needed the training to enable them use gadgets being introduced by the government to maximize learning.
I just want to be certain that it's going on well, right? And I've seen it that you are all taking your time to learn and to go through this exercise. What you can do for me, please, is when you get back, let us show love. Let us show real love to those 5, 6, 7-year-old people. And it's only when we show them love, they will open their hearts and their mind to want to receive from you.
Well done. That's better, another better. Marvelous.
The Ministry of Health participated actively. They gave us a standby clinic, an ambulance, the SBMC, School-Based Management Committee. They were around to support us. The parent forums were there to support us. You know, there are some NGOs that came around to see us. The National Unions of Teachers, the Lagos branch, were there. Associations of primary school head teachers were there to support us, and so many other, well-meaning Nigerians, to ensure that we get the best. We have the right footing when it comes to basic education in this state.
As one teacher to another, I say congratulations. To be a teacher is a privilege because you are building the future and there is nothing greater than that. And that you've been given even greater skills to build a more qualitative future. Congratulations. Thank you very much for taking part in the program.
With this training, Lagos State teachers will now deliver the same level with their counterparts around the world, as they have now acquired additional skills to help children learn and ensure pupils transiting to secondary schools have right literacy and numeracy skills. EcoExcel, leave no child behind.